Hi, I'm Belinda Carley, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and I get asked, how do you make a low poo shampoo? So what are these new product forms? Basically, a low poo shampoo, and you'll even see no poo shampoo, are cleansing products for the hair, usually your fragile or curly hair types that have little to no foam. They still need to clean, but we put a lot of extra conditioning agents into the product, so the product feels really nice on the hair. There's not a great deal of foam. It's still got to clean, but it really cares for the fragile and curly hair types. So let me show you an example of what we're going to be making, and then I'll show you how to put the product together. This is the product we're going to be making today. And as you can see, it dispenses like an ordinary shampoo. If we apply some water and we rub together, you'll see there is little to no foam. But we do have surfactant cleansing agents in here so that the hair will still be cleaned effectively. So now we'll start with the water phase. Now to this I'm going to add some guar gum. I'm going to slurry this first in glycerin. Now you could use another humectant at this stage. Humectant's really useful in this formula to help restore some moisture into the hair, even on the short application. And I'm using the guar gum to help stabilize and build viscosity in this product. Now the viscosity of this phase will start to increase over just a short period of time. Now to this I'm going to add my decoyl glucoside. Now this is my main cleansing agent, and in this case I am using the equivalent of around 7.5% decoyl glucoside. If you want a little more foam, you could use a little more. If you want less foam, you could use a little less. I'm using this amount. I found this really effective to clean my hair without being too foamy or feeling like it's being anything other than really gentle to my hair. Now don't worry about the color change at this point. It's only because the decoyl glucoside is quite alkaline. We'll be bringing that pH back down later. Now we do have a foaming agent present, so from this point on we need to be careful we don't introduce too much foam into this formula. I'm just going to heat this, and then I'm going to add my emulsifying wax and my coconut oil. Now you could use any sort of plant oil you want here, but I am using some cetyl alcohol. This will help build body and viscosity to the end product. It also gives it that nice white creamy finish, which really helps resonate with the user how caring and gentle this product is, and it also builds stability and acts as an additional cleansing agent in this formula. So I'm heating up my water phase, and once this is nice and hot I'll be adding my waxy phase into the very hot water phase. If I was to heat this separately, I could burn my waxes, and that would be undesirable. Now once that's cooled a little, I'm just going to add my preservative, and this will bring the pH down. You'll see that colour change. I'm also going to add some polyquaternium. Now this is very conditioning for the hair. And when it's below 40 degrees, I can add my essential oils and my antioxidant. You could also add other herbal extracts or other water-soluble actives at this point if you wanted to. I can now check and adjust pH. And there you have your low poo shampoo. Now the day you make it, the viscosity will be a little lower. We still have a nice viscosity forming there, but overnight it will thicken up even more. So you'll end up with a very viscous, creamy looking product by the next day. Well, there you go. That's how to make a low poo shampoo. Now remember, you can adjust the decal glucoside input for a little more foam or a little less foam, and you can also adjust that input to have either a stronger clean or a less powerful clean. It depends on the exact hair type of your user. You'll see I also built in a conditioning aspect to the formula so it feels really soft to apply to the hair. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below, and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!